Finally got the freezer heater. Okay, it's been 5 days running, so there will be lots of ice in there. That's gonna take a while to fix. It's got stuck to the drain pan, looks like. That's a lot of ice to melt. Okay, that's been about 45 minutes. That's how long it took me to the ice. The coil. Okay, heater on this true cooler is held by these little clips right here. Okay, you have to remove all of those. It's a pain in the butt to put them back on. And then another thing we have that we need to drop this one down so we can remove the heaters. Okay. The coil still holds on the sides as well, so we can lose this one. The coil will not drop.
I'm stuck and I have to pee!
Come on.
No, I'm just stuck.
Okay, so heater comes. That's the problem we had. Come on. Oh my God.
What the hell is this?
That's what we got. It's pretty powerful heater, 950 watt. Okay, I'm just gonna cut a light fixture. It'll be much easier. Okay, we're gonna work like this. So pretty much you insert it in there just the way it was. I used to have it. So it goes pretty easy and you just push it in. Okay. Come on. Let's get those pins on the other side. Okay, heater secured. But we are not done. We need to wire it. Okay. Wire this stuff back. Oh, this is our heater for the drain pan. Maybe. Oh no, it's that heater right there, the drain line. Okay, wiring was this simple. This is drain heater, so it's pink and black. That's our heaters. Almost forgot evaporator to secure. Where's that thing? Almost forgot that bracket, but we're all good now. Okay, let's wire away these wires and right there. Right there. We should be good. Okay, everything nicely secured. Time to put the cover back on and test it. There. Come on. Hard to do it with one hand. Trick of the day. Use two hands. Yeah. Okay. I need to wash coil as well. And this right there. Okay, second part of the coil. By the way, it's new Calgon blue edition of the cleaner. Pretty bad stuff. Very toxic. Not toxic, but it's gonna burn your skin in no time. But it works so good on a grease. Unbelievably good. Okay, we're all done. This coil. Let's start it up. Why fans are on? It was a test, I guess. Fans shouldn't be on. I guess it's like a test mode at the beginning when you plug it in. Let's give it a minute to start up. And we are very warm right now. Okay, it's running for 1 minute now. And we're still warm. Why fans would be on? Well, in 1 minute it turned on, I guess. Okay, we at around 18 degrees in the box. That's Fahrenheit, so it's like -8 Celsius. What we're gonna do now, we'll try to trigger defrost cycle. There's a defrost button right here. Press and keep it. It goes to defrost. And this pink wire, that's our heater. Heater is on. Okay, that's a good sign. Okay. That will be normal for the new heaters. They need to burn that crap, whatever was on it. Let's lock this control up, because it was locked up last time when I got here. Lock, then we go. Ah, come on. gonna change it to yes. So the controller is gonna be locked at this point, so no one mess with it. I don't know what this is for.
It's a little bit weird already, just saying. So that was right at the opening bell. They did a dance right above the gap again. And then they started doing the same thing they did yesterday. They were just going around, chopping around, being in a chop shop formation. Reciting the stuff up north, couple of numbers, 344.75, 344.75, and 345 are the numbers. And you can see what happened when the market finally did get up there, was rejected, tried it again, rejected again into the end of the day. It's just interesting, but those are the numbers. Until and unless the market, the bulls can get above that stuff, no dice. Once they do get above that stuff, what do you think happens? You got it. They go to the breakdown candle high. That's the ticket. Back to inside the numbers, and we're moving along. So right out of the chute early this morning, I put an image on the board